So I'll be showing you how to add different languages to your iPhone's keyboard. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhones and iPads as well. So go to settings. We just go back to the main settings page so I can show you clearly. Go to settings. On the settings page, tap on general, and then under general, tap on keyboard. Now you should see keyboards here, so tap on that, and here are the different languages I've already added to my keyboard, including a different keyboard which is Gboard, but these two languages are on this keyboard. Now what you need to do is add new keyboard, tap on that, and then find the language you want to add. Let's say you want to add Dutch, for instance. Okay, just scroll and find Dutch and then tap on it, and it's going to be added to the list of languages. And then you can go there and add another language as well, Finnish for instance, and you can add as many languages as you want. So now when using your keyboard, to switch between the different languages, simply tap on this globe icon here. It switches to a different language, tap on it again, a different language, tap on it again, a different language, and it's going to keep changing to the different languages that are installed on your keyboard or set up on your keyboard. Okay, so we have space, I think that's Dutch or something. Then you have, you have Dutch, then you have French, and that's basically how to add different keyboards or how to switch between the different keyboards on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and good luck.